ako, sa harap na lang.
Okay lang po.
Miguel, you're so boring.
Yeah.
You're so boring not because, you know, you sing, ano yung... Ang tanda-tanda mo. There's no freshness. When you say, oh God, this is something fresh. It's, you know, because now you came from somewhere else, you came from another contest, we were hoping na pagdating mo dito, ano ba kayo nagigigil kayo sa harap ko? Okay. Control yourselves.
Bigyan niyo na, sir, kasi nag-coffee na lang wala ako dyan.
Before he said,
Bigyan niyo na ngayon lang ulit yan nangyari.
Kamay ka na, Sen. Ay.
putulin natin ang...
Sorry, Direk.
Okay. Anyway, there's no freshness. There's no excitement.
How do you create freshness and excitement?
How do you create freshness?
Your
It's your
personality.
attitude, Miguel.
Meron po ba ako?
Alam mo, anak, oo. Oo. Kasi Miguel, kasi every time nakikita kong kumakanta ka, it's a chore. It's such a chore. Yung pagkanta ni... Alam niyo ba, ibig sabihin yung pagkanta, yung wala yung tang-ina ka na sing, come on, ika! Pag si Miguel, hindi ka. Okay? Parang any moment may executioner sa dulo, pupugutan ka ng ulo. Hindi talaga, hindi ba? Yung, ganun ka talaga eh. Napakaseko mong tao, napakaseryoso mong tao. Diyos ko.
May oil.
Yung I imagine if you're making love, you have a sex manual and you have to follow it to the ano. When you make love, you're in pajamas. You know what I mean? Yung life really is a recipe book. Do something more exciting. Like, look, okay, I'll at the rate of comparison, pag pumunta si Bugoy sa entablado kumakanta yan, yung talagang nakakatuwa. Kasi, ganun si Bugoy. Oo. Di ba? Okay, example, nung kumanta si Ingaki ng Spain and she started scatting, nadadala ka. So, ang gaganda ng yung, but God, you know, Miguel, it's mabigat. How do you like it? Di ba sabi ko, the only, enjoy it. Enjoy it. Hindi ko ba sinasabi sa inyo, you sing silly songs, okay? Hindi ko ba sinabi yung... Di ba?
That's not silly.
Because, hindi ba yung parang house record? Hindi pag nakikita kita, naalala ko tawag ng tanghalan. You know that show?
Yes.
O yung tawag ng tanghalan. Panahon nila Jumides Maturan. Kilala mo yan, hindi? Dapat hindi. Okay? Nila Rick Manrique Jr. Okay? Songs, yung singers of...
Way back.
Yesterday.
Hindi ka, you know, paglabas mo, I don't want you to be the 21st century version of Novo Bono, okay? Check out who's Novo Bono, okay? He won Tawag ng Tanghalan, which was the premier talent contest in our country noong 1960s. May buhok pa ako. Okay? May buhok pa ako noon. Susuklay pa ako noon dahil ganun pala ako kaliit, okay? Concept pa lang kayo. Hindi ba pinapanganak si Goofy?
Pinapanganak si Lolo ni Goofy.
Oo, natida pala yung lolo ni Goofy. Okay? Gets mo, Miguel?
Yes.
Oh, God. Miguel, sabi ko, I can't believe that Sen is 20 and you're 18. Di ba?
Turning 19.
Oh, no wonder. You're turning 19. That's why you're behaving like you're 49.
My birthday request.
Okay?
Sama kay Apple.
Ikaw ba, ikaw, Chris, ilan taong ka na, anak?
21 po.
Okay, Chris. Pag nakita mo ba si Miguel, maniniwala kang 18 yan? Yes or no?
Hindi.
Alam mo yun, nasabi ko na sa yun dati.
Lalo na si Doc Randy, sabi niya 27 daw ako.
Kasi tanda mo si Jet.
Yak.
Sabi ko yan. Sensitivity. Sinya ka talaga. Hindi na si Kuya Jet dito.
Uy, yung kuya ko, 29, pero bata tignan.
Pasensya na, mami.
Hindi,